While some hauliers define the value of their payload in terms of weight, you have a wider perspective. Literally, driving volume cargo is all about time and space, about making the most of it, about optimizing your vehicle to give space for that extra pallet of goods that will separate you from your competition. To succeed, you need to be the one that thinks outside the box, combining the strength of technical specifications with the smartness of optimized services. You need to be the one setting the standard, not settling for it. So, the next time you're thinking about a new truck to carry your volume cargo, let's meet face to face. Allow us to show you that this isn't a one-size-fits-all kind of truck. It's a solution tailored for the only business that matters, yours.